What's good, gang? Today I'm showing my 2000 Mazda Miata daily drift car. When I bought this car, it was all stock. I wanted my own platform to modify on my own and not deal with anyone else's bullshit. And it was worth it for sure. It was fun doing everything on my own and not having to deal with any bullshit. Unlike this thing, I have to deal with a ton of other bullshit. When I got it, it was $4,000 with the hard top, 130,000 miles, clean title. It's a pretty good buy, in my opinion. Hard top goes for like $2,500 nowadays. When I bought it, it had these black Koenig wheels. I was not a fan of them, so I sold them for like $250. And I picked up some stockies that had way better tires. And I was doing canyons in this thing when I had open diff and enjoying it, you know, daily in it. And then eventually I put the web diff in, and that's when it became daily drift car. And not as good of a daily, you know. It used to be way better, but now it's kind of annoying. I'm kind of over it at this point. It would be nice if I had like another car to drive, but I don't. And every time I have to drive this thing, even like some short distance, it's just annoying. I'd rather like ride a fucking bike, honestly. But as far as drifting goes, this thing has done pretty good for me. Every single time I've tried to drift it, I've been able to do everything I wanted to. And I've got no knuckles, stock ass angle. I got Feel coilovers. Got a good deal on them from a junkyard, like $200. I've got the Nari Deep Horn 330 mil. I got this for like, I think it was either 180 or $200 with the full Miata hub setup. I was able to convince the guy that it was fake. And I bought it for hella cheap. So that's pretty much a free Nardi wheel. Like, these two things are like over $200 if you buy them new. And I've replaced the soft top. It was super crusty and old when I got it. As most Miatas I buy are, because I buy cheap Miatas. The paint was fucked when I got it, and I kind of kept it that way. I buffed it and polished it, and I did the best I could. Now it shines. It's way fucking better than it used to be. It used to be sandpaper. So gnarly. But I'll put up some clips of me drifting this car right now. I don't have too many good outside clips, which sucks, but I'll put in what I got. Cut to that. But yeah, I've done everything in this car, from just daily driving it everywhere, to canyon driving it, to drifting it, to getting groceries in it, to everything. I've done everything in this car, except for things Miatas can't do. In my personal opinion, this is the best car that you can get to learn how to drive. I don't care if you're drifting, I don't care if you're canyon running, I don't care if you're time attacking. Miata is the best car to get for cheap to learn how to drive, because it's slow and it handles good and everything about it is just the best. And now that I'm finally getting tired of daily driving this thing as a drift car the way it is, and I got this thing, I'm just gonna move on to daily in this thing. I got LSD, no more about the diff. I can drift, I can canyon run, I got turbo, I can do everything I want. Just the same as this, and it's gonna be nicer and less annoying. So, there is my 2000 Mazda Miata daily drift build. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.